This is it, Blaster Bros. Welcome to the final chapter of your mission. It's time to stop Daryl the Dart Boy once and for all. Dart Boy's compound is heavily guarded. Expect lots of resistance while attempting to make your way to the launch site. Blaster Bros, your Nerf world's last hope. Now what are you waiting for? Stop that rocket!
Come, Dart Boy! Come, bring me the last rocket pod! Finally, the time has come to destroy New World and bring a new age to the Blaster battle. Now go! Protect this area! If the Blaster Bros come, defeat them all!
They're here! They're taking out our forces and they're landing there!
Calm down! My rocket pod is already complete and it's a destroy Nerf world! Here! Get out there! The Blaster Bros are here! Take him out! bad guy. Protect me at all costs! We must get this rocket off! The Blaster Girls will not win! I have worked my entire life for this! Now go! Stop them! This is the dead man switch! It's all out there! Press it! I cannot stop! We did it!
Congratulations, Blaster Bros. I knew you could do it. You boys had your ups and downs, but I always knew Nerf World would be safe in your hands. Many will never know your names, but that's not what matters. Nerf World safety is our #1 concern. Until next time Nerf World needs saving, Blaster Bros out.